Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a device from the Kasa app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and remove one of your indoor security cameras. Maybe you no longer need it. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, what we're going to do is open up the Kasa app. Next, you want to go ahead and click on the device which you want to go ahead and remove. Next, click on the gear icon on the upper right hand corner. Next, scroll down until you see where it says remove device. So once you click on remove device, you're going to get a confirmation that you want to go ahead and remove this camera. And with it, it's going to remove it from your Kasa app and restore it to its factory settings. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and remove a device from the Kasa app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys